Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Well, welcome everyone to sunny-ish Tauranga for the Super 8 clash between Gisborne Boys High School and Te Kura Tamatani or Tauranga Moana. And we'll kick off from left to right. Goes deep.
Keirunga.
Not taken cleanly, but they have it, Gizzy. Setting up now. Goes up, straight to the back and into their work now, the boys. It's going to be hard to stop legally, and they haven't done that legally. It's gone to ground, so the arm is out from the referee. They still have, though, Nagama Earl steps in the middle. Needs to get a little bit lower. Support there. As they set up, Spice has it now.
Harmony anō, ana kei reira. Te kara.
Ludwig some fancy footwork as the forward set up again. Just going to crash until they can get their 10 back into the line.
We are
almost there. Ooh. Slots it, Ludwig. So Gizzy on the board, 3 points, so 7-3. So we have 4 on the right, 2 on the left here for TBC.
Now, I'm no rocket science, but if I was to bet, there it is. Go to your man.
If
there was a man you want to go to, Tommy Gun.
TBC!
He try.
And an interesting try celebration there. Get back out Ludwig now. Strong carry. Oh, just...
Oh.
I thought there was a double knock on there, but the referee hasn't seen that. Great pass there.
Pahi.
Symes. Symes.
Oh. Try.
Good carry. Spice now to Ward. Long
there we go. Kupita anō. Here you go. Are you going to see an assist?
Charlton now. The Toriko Titan.
It's a 10-on-1. Ooh. Numbers on the edge.
Something's going to happen here.
Here's my number. Tūranga tāne pai tēnā.
Both
whanoki rātou te pōro.
This is beautiful rugby.
Here we go. Ko wai atu. Ko wai atu. Tommy Gun. Tarai.
They want to go back to the left here. Spice is calling for it. He's got it.
Boom.
What have they got? Spice to carry. Now, Ward, Space.
Ana,
Ron.
te rua te kaumātahi. There you have it. Kaha rātou. I know what I'll be thinking. And here he goes. Give me the ball. I'm going over.
Tupou.
Just like that.
Tupou, the replacement. He's been good since he's come on. Good pass here by Spice too. Now they set up again. Takato Smith. Strong carry. Good to have that type of power come off the bench. Spice wants the ball now. Sali Kikoro Earl. He'll take it up. Good defense there. Got the pass away though. That's a couple of points in fantasy. Spice now.
Spicy.
Oh!
Oi!
Yeah!
Oh, pai te rā tarai.
Spice to the right. So Spice has got it now. Emmett through a big gap. He's got support here. Nagama Earl's outside him. Doesn't need it. What footwork.
Say no more. Tēnei ka mihi atu kia koutou. Kua whakarongo mai, kua Mātakitaki tēnei kēmi o tātou. He mihi nui, kia whakaata Māori. Nā rātou whakatūwhera tēnei wāhi mō tātou. Ki te Mātaki, nō reira tēnei ka mihi atu kia koe.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.